Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on LENOVO Tab K11. Okay, before we launch our WhatsApp, let's make sure that we are logged in into proper Google account, because if you'll be logged in into wrong account, you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply open up the settings, scroll down all the way until you find Google, and you need to be logged in into the same Google account that you have selected in the moment when you were creating your WhatsApp backup. Now we can launch our app. Okay, select your language and click on Agree and Continue. Click on those three dots, and we can click on Register New Account. Click on Allow. In here we need to type our phone number. Or you can simply click on What's My Number, and as you can see it will be automatically copied. Then click on Next. We also have to verify our phone number using one of the two methods. We have the code from the SMS message or the missed call. It's up to you. I'll use the missed call, so I'll simply click on Continue. Now we need to click on Allow. Okay, verifying. Verified, so everything is just like it should. Now click on Continue, click on Allow. Alright, and now select Restore from Backup. Now click on Continue, and as you can see we are restoring our backup from the Google account. In my case it won't take long because I don't have many messages, so it shouldn't take much time. Alright, 13 messages restored. We can click on Next. Click on Next. And as you can see, everything has been successfully restored, including videos, photos, and of course normal messages. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.